Hey, hello guys. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track your 3D text onto your cinematic shot. So let's just select a shot, drop it down in your project, make a new composition of it, and you can see we have selected our cinematics from ascent map. You can choose any of it, like it's on to you. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select starting point, like from here I wanna show. So let me add marker here, then I want just until here. Again I'm gonna mark it down. Now let's go to first marker, Ctrl Shift D. It will again, so your Ctrl Shift D will trim out that complete area and lift it up. Simple. Like here we can say our first layer, second layer, third layer. Now we want our text on this area only. So our first layer, let's name it to 3D text track. Alright, now just go to effect and preset and find 3D camera tracker and drop it down on your composition. Make sure you have selected the layer, the layer on which you want your 3D text. It will take some while. You can see here it is to analyzing frame by frame, and it will give you estimated time like 2 minutes or something. It depends on your video quality and your frame, how you have your choose, and its length of your clip. It matters. Sometime it may take half hour, sometime it may take just 30 or 20 seconds, depend on your frame. Okay, so here it's showing solving camera. It means yes, it is getting ready, and now you can see there are so many dots here, and whenever you just hover your mouse onto it, you can see that it will give you some size. If you have any problem during this, if you stuck anywhere, do contact me on Discord. I'll drop my ID at the end of the video and in description too. Also, suggestions are free. I don't charge for suggestions and help. What is this? It's basically some tracked points. Points means you can see the perspective of circle. Perspective of circle is changing whenever I selecting different pixels. So here, what you have to do, just go to your first nearest frame and check what exactly part you want where your text showed up. Like here I will select uh, yeah, this will be good I guess, because okay, this part will be good, this part will be pretty much fine, or we can go with oh yeah, we're gonna go with this one is perfect, this one is perfect. So now what you have to do, just select the part, right click on it, create text and camera. Basically it will automatically create text and camera for you. Just say go in the layer panel and select text. Make sure your character panel is open. Change the font color whatever you want, and my font is basically an extra bold. I pretty much like it. Let me expand the font. Yeah, you can also change font by selecting this option. Go to on text, and whenever your cursor transform like this, click on it and give a name. Let me give my Discord name here. Also, you guys wondering that text is like flat on surface. So to solve that, just go in the layer panel, expand the layer, go to transform, then you will see orientation. Orientation is basically how it's oriented on a surface. So you just have to play with it, like you want some rotation. Okay, so this rotation is kinda weird, but let me adjust it quick. The second thing is, I want to tell you that your text layer must be the size of the layer you dragged. So if it goes out, your text will stuck in something weird positions. So make sure your text is always a size of a layer you just dragged, like this. So let me show you how it is. Look, it's well dragged. It's well dragged and it's kind of stable, not like waving around objects. Okay, shit. Let me finalize it with orientation things. Yes, this looks good. Okay, so pretty much it. Let me show you the preview, what we have made so far from here. Okay, so thank you guys watching, and if you need any help, as I say, contact me on Discord. Help is totally free. You can contact me anytime. I'll reply you whenever I'm free. And if you need more tutorial like this, please do comment. I'll do more tutorials. So thank you.